So can you scan a room space with the iPad? Let's explain that. Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, by the way, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not going to miss anything important. So yes, you can go ahead and scan your room, like your interior of a building, right? But you will need to use some tools for that. There is a great app on the App Store which is called Polycam, and you can get it for free. I believe that there are some paid features, but for free you can get a lot of done right there. By the way, it kind of depends on your iPad. It's ideal if your iPad has the LiDAR sensor, which is like next to the camera. It's like a little ring right there which can measure, like 3D objects a lot better than using just a regular camera. But if you do have it, you'll be able to use an app like Polycam to basically scan the interior of any room and then have it saved inside of the application. So you'll be able to move around it, have a 3D file saved, perhaps even exported, and, use it for whichever purpose you like. Obviously, it's not going to be as sharp or as detailed as a photo, but a photo is not a 3D scan, of course. So I believe a lot of people are going to find the app valuable. Perhaps it takes a bit of getting used to and, figuring out your way around the app. But once you get used to it at least a little bit, you'll be able to scan rooms really simply using such tool. By the way, I'm not saying like this is the only app available, but I've tried this one personally in the past and I found it to be working very well, so I'm recommending this one. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.